What's up, y'all? It's Timmy. And today I'm taking you out in my brand new 2022 Lynx Boondocker snow machine. So let's go do it. Welcome to Truck House Life, baby. Okay, we're here at Matt's house. I've got to load my brand new sled. Let's go check it out. Oh yeah. It is super nasty out. We're going riding up at Matt's cabin up in North in Willow. And I haven't told you guys yet, but I went ahead and got myself a new Lynx Boondocker 2022. Super sweet. So it's basically a Ski-Doo that's made in Finland. So it's got the 850 Ski-Doo E-Tech engine. And she's a beast. Looking forward to it. It's got a chopped tunnel, so the track sticks out past the tunnel, so really hard to get stuck compared to a long tunnel. I think it's gonna be fun. Let's load it. Literally never ridden it before. It's got 0 miles, so let's get it on the trailer and head north. We're heading north to Willow right now. It is absolutely dumping outside, pouring rain. We're going snow machine.
How's that transmission?
It's not doing too well. It's ABS light came on. The transmission, it's not slipping, but it can't stay in gear. It's like doing that kind of stuff. So I don't know.
Doesn't sound great.
We'll see. Hopefully we'll make it there. It is turned to snow.
In the last mile.
That's right. Literally like a mile or two from Matt's cabin. Crazy. Well, we made it to Willow. I'm still in 2-wheel drive. About to get stuck. I think Matt's cabin's gonna be absolutely stacked. It's like full-on blizzard status.
Time to get some burr.
Time to get some liquor.
Just gonna send her, bud.
Yep, here we go. Oh God, slick. A little more speed. We're in.
Right through.
We just backed up. It's about 1 foot deep, and it is absolutely, you probably can't tell on the camera, let's do no justice. It's stacking though. Stacking. Ooh. Oh my God.
Holy.
You guys see that? That's Matt. Matt breaking trail of the cabin. Literally waist deep. Oh yeah. This is crazy. It is gonna be all time tomorrow, so we're gonna get the snow machine unloaded and break trail to the cabin. Fired up. Ah, first pull. Well guys, we made it to Matt's cabin. That snow is maybe the deepest I've ever seen out here. It's like 3.5 to 4 feet deep when you're trenching with the snow machine. It's insane. We got a nice fire going. Gonna dry the old mucklucks out. These are Steger mucklucks. If you guys haven't seen those, check them out. They're freaking awesome. Favorite winter shoe I've ever owned. My last pair lasted me like 8 years. I'm not sponsored by them, but I really do like them a lot. We're gonna dry gear out and have a beer and then go to bed. It's like midnight. In the morning, we're gonna be firing up the brand new Lynx and showing you guys what it's all about. And also, we're gonna be checking out the Ski-Doo Turbo, another 2022 My friend just got its brand new sled, so we're gonna check that out and do a little comparison between the Ski-Doo and the Lynx, see what you think. So we'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, everyone. We're cooking breakfast.
I'm cooking breakfast.
Matt's, by that I mean Matt's cooking breakfast. B&G. That sausage does not look that good.
Nope.
Right at 31 degrees. You know, I probably get like, I gotta make it eat. I gotta make it eat. I get like 10 emails a day at least. Just companies that try to send me stuff. And 2 days ago, I got a company that wanted to sponsor me with a bidet. So you actually hook it up to the toilet and wash your butt with it. Sprays water. Thought that was funny. Anyway, it's snowing. It's like 31 degrees.
It's gonna be a good bidet.
Yeah, it's gonna be a good bidet, Steve. Should be down here. Let's see what it looks like outside. Oh yeah. Yeah, there is a lot of snow. We got here close to midnight last night. You can't tell, but where the snow machine went around, it's like 3 feet deep, the powder, so it's gonna be nuts today. Got the brand new Lynx Boondocker. This is gonna be the maiden voyage today, taking it out and breaking it in, getting used to it, so that's what's up. We're gonna get some breakfast going and hit the trail. We're YouTubing, yeah. Isn't this relaxing? Nice morning at the cabin. Oh, dick! All right, we're off to a good start. Matt's changing out of his sweatpants, and by a good start, I mean a bad start. Brandon is stuck. We get a friend that came out here to meet us. The friend has Matt's sled, so we can't go anywhere until we save Brandon. But we're gonna save him because we're nice guys too.
Stuck in the truck.
Yeah, he's stuck in the truck, not in the snow machine. So he's got a big truck with 3 snow machines on it. He's stuck. You guys saw last night, I barely even made it in here without getting stuck, so let's go tow him out with the truck house, see what happens. I can't begin to tell you guys how much snow is out here. This is totally insane. Made this trail on last night. We're gonna go see if we can get Brandon out here. I guess I really should just unhook my trailer. Dang it, this is the pain in the buttocks. I'm gonna do it though, I'm just gonna unhook it. I think it'll just be easier. I'm not gonna try to tow him out while I'm hooked to something. Let's unhook this trailer. Oh. Do that so we don't lose the pin. Safety chains off. I don't cross the safety chains because they're too short. We're gonna get this here trailer off. It's gonna be really fun pulling back up to this to hook it up. Oh. And when I come back, we're not gonna be able to move this. So we're gonna have to like back up perfect to this hitch to get it on. Oh, it's gonna be a deep day. My favorite part of the morning, the old 7.3 start. Yes, sir. There he is. Let me know when I get within like 10 feet of you. All right, here we go. He is stuck. Yeah, so there you go. I guess Brandon tried to get around this car that's just parked out in the road, and and he ditched it. Oh, nice. You already got the trailer off.
Yeah, but
yeah, here, hook it up.
Yeah,
we'll just do it. Yeah, if you got, just tow strap, we'll hook it up.
Look at those paddles. Oh my
Go for it. We're gonna hook this thing up and try to get it, I guess. Film this.
Second video with my truck in the situation. Last time it wouldn't start. Upgraded starter.
Make sure that trailer doesn't kick out and kill me. All right, Brandon.
All right, so hey, get him tight and then tell him to go.
All right.
Like, don't jerk it too
Get her tight, so go slow. All right, all right.
Yep, now go.
Now go a little bit. Now he's tight. Yep, we're ready. Oh.
Okay, tell him to back up and jerk it.
Back up.
A little bit.
Oh,
is he in 4?
Timmy, are you in 4? All right.
No,
Yeah,
no.
dude, your front wheels aren't spinning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How was your breakfast?
Delicious.
I'm locked up.
Only that back wheel was spinning.
I know it's not locked up. It's just one on the front, one on the back.
All right, if we have to, we'll drop the trailer.
You're not going to disconnect you.
Oh. Here, hold on. Hold on.
Yeah, you're stuck.
Turn your wheels to the right and try and back up, and I can push you.
Say again?
Turn your wheels to the right.
And I can give you a push. Turn this seat in there.
Pins under load.
Okay, we're gonna have to rock my truck forward.
Pins under load.
Those are nice tires.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, they're not studded though.
Yeah, I know they're mutters, but it's crazy.
What we got going on, Timmy?
Get one chains down. If we have to winch out, maybe. Let me know. This is crazy.
I think
I
maybe.
totally shouldn't be stuck.
Should
right
I
now.
take 2 for my back tires?
I
And
only
then
got
2 for you?
chains.
Oh, you. Oh.
Yep. I just throw them under mine, see if I can even back up to unhook you, because I'm gonna have to get unstuck. Maybe just one chain under that side might be just enough to do it. Because I'll have to put them in the front.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Guess we're not going snow machining
No.
today.
Hey. I'm just stoked that it ain't raining out here.
Well, as you say that,
All because that guy parked in the road.
was it pouring rain all the way up?
Yeah.
It's like crazy. It's rain all the way up until that last mile. And it just is like f***ing snow.
You sure we don't want to put one on your front tire as well, or you could,
We could.
Fuck it,
I'll try to see if
Yeah.
it even grabs it. It won't take much to go backwards to grab.
and I couldn't go to sleep after that.
Yeah.
I got so excited.
Hold on. Hold it. Right. You got your foot on the brake? Yep, I got it.
Okay. All right, you're biting it now. So easy. All right, I can take you off now.
Yeah,
All right, you're free. Step 1, get the tow truck unstuck.
You got another one? Oh.
Yeah, he's gonna go eat more biscuits and gravy. It's biting. It kicked it out. Here, let me fix it.
Hey, can I get that other chain?
Yeah.
The other one. This one's bit, right?
Yep, I mean, close enough. It's
Get
not
that.
one. That's the one that wants to spin.
Yeah.
Ready to shred?
I've been ready since October.
Boom. Man, we should consider this other parking lot.
That was crazy. Brandon's still trying to back up here. Just deep. Ugh. I think we about got it. I gotta come back a little bit. Oh, no! Oh, stuck again. You can always just unload the sleds and unload. Yeah, just take it all off. This guy's checking out the action. Alaska.
I think we're just building up a big axle.
Yeah, don't get your truck stuck. We can unhook the trailer if we need to. Try to push. Push it. There you go. You got it. Just straighten out, go straight back pretty much. You can get off my track a little bit. Looking good.
You look good.
Looking good. Oh, yeah. All right, we're done for the day. That's it. Oh, you can throw them on my porch. I'll dry them out inside. All right. Anyhow, it's crazy. Forgot my train of thought. Lost my train of thought. We're gonna shovel some snow off a roof before the Sonic collapses. Yep. Here's Matt's sauna. He built this last year. How long did it take you to build that thing?
I don't know, a couple of weekends.
Whoa! We try to get on our shoulder.
We could each take a foot.
Yep.
Here, we'll get over there while you get there. We'll get you a foot.
Oh, there we go. That would help.
I'm gonna watch you first. You got snowshoes on.
It's fine.
Stupid human tricks. You go.
1, 2, 3. Thank you.
He's in.
I got it. All right, now what?
Yeah, well, let me, we got like our sled shovel.
Watch out, sorry. Is this the edge?
No, you got like,
Past that?
it's pretty, yeah.
Oh yeah.
No.
Look at that roof.
There we go.
That's like 3.5 feet of snow. Just like heavy snow. Well, that's a wrap, y'all. Stay tuned for the next video where I give you my thoughts on the Lynx versus the other sleds. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace, y'all.